as the topic said, you are talking of traceability and repeatability in the industry, in new trends and of automation. So when you look at it now, what is the new trends that is coming up? The most important today is Industry 4. So where you have IIoT to collect sensor data, AI and machine learning to analyze data, cloud and big data for higher level decision making, machine learning, sensor data for detecting patterns, real-time sensor to boardroom solutions. And all this then ensures that with the new standards, you also get traceability, which means for, let's say, for pharma, it's very, very important. The food and pharmaceutical industry is one of the most important places where traceability is very important. That when you put a drug and you put a QR code on that, tomorrow, if there is a problem, what were the ingredients in it? How was it made? And how is the recall? All this is, of course, started from the food and pharma industry, but has now also evolved into companies like the automotive industry. So you get a mail from the man who gave you your car saying that, sir, we have found that in this particular batch, which was made between, say, 2000 and 2005, this particular model, there is an issue in the brake drum. You can come and return it. So this is all part of the integrating your automation and your enterprise solution. So when we say sensor to boardroom, you are able to trace it. You can also, during the process itself, if something has happened. So for example, I would say an example of heat treatment or heat treatment on a brake drum. If you have realized that there was a problem in the oven temperature. Now the person has not checked, but items have gone out. But later on, you have come to know that there was a problem in the oven temperature, and therefore the heat treatment on the metal has not been done properly. Since this is fully tracked in terms of the material, the serial number, which car it has gone, even after 2 years, 3 years, you know exactly to which car, which serial number of the car, which model of car, where your brake has gone. You can recall it, you can condemn it, reuse it, whatever. So these are all things that do. At the same time, a real-time process today with IIoT, sensors, smart conditioning, wireless, you can get an alarm in your mobile sitting in your house if there is a problem. And all this is fully tracked. So, and then you have the standards. So you have ISA 88, which is one of the most important on batch control, and therefore in good manufacturing process. ISA 95, which connects your standards from the DCS to the ERP. Yeah, so that's the general.